Hey guys, welcome back to another episode today. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix login error on Soundcloud app. In order to fix your login error on Soundcloud app, there might be several factors leading to the error on Soundcloud app. So basically what you can do is, in order to fix it, first thing first, you can clear your browser cache and try signing in again. So basically, to clear your browsing cache, you'll need to long press on the app and head over to its app info page. Here you'll need to go ahead and tap on storage and cache. Make sure to clear your cache as well as storage. After that, try signing into your account, and that might be able to fix the issue all at once. Apart from it, you can also check status block to make sure there is nothing going on in service and distribution that could cause issues in staying signed in. One of the major issues that could lead you to a sign-in error is that your internet connection. If you're not connected to a stable internet service, then it can also lead to sign-in error. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and apart from it, you can also check for an update. So in order to update, you'll have to go to the Play Store, and on the Play Store type in SoundCloud, and here click the update button if you've not updated the application. After you're done updating your application, what else you can do is, if none of these seems to be working out, then you can simply wait for 4 to 48 hours, and that might be able to fix your issue all at once. So these were some of the ways to fix your login error on SoundCloud app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.